Rancho shots, 510 Rockwell, Axel, 60. Goodyear, Aaron. Lining up with the gun. $110,000 to build this. 3 months' time he built it in. Skoal Bandit, time speed of 15.9. Oh, what a spectacular shot. The side shot of upper, you know what's going to be checked. Challenge. Look at him get it. The Matterhorn. 0.78 seconds is first time. Better. And he beats the time. That Jim Creamer
Could be an upset tonight. The Skoal Bandit truck has really been doing a great job. They've changed the motor in the truck just recently, and for many years ran a V12 Jaguar. They've converted over to a 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet. The truck's light, it's quick, it's agile. He could beat Bigfoot tonight. Look out, look out, here we go. Bigfoot is just flying, but the Bandit right there beside him. It's gonna be a finish. Bigfoot takes it.
What a wild race, but Bigfoot just holds on to win.
That was probably as tough a race as Bigfoot has been in quite some time. The Skoal Bandit truck out of California was really on him all the way through, and he tortured that Bigfoot truck. On the close side is Gary Satin in the Skoal Bandit truck. Both of these trucks, strangely enough, run out of the same stable. They both come out of Golden State's pickup parts stables. They have 3 monster trucks that are on hand tonight, and it's going to be very tough competition. The little Skoal Bandit truck you're looking right straight in the face of, it's quick, it's short, it's agile. The longer truck, supercharged motor, and it will be high horsepower on the Hawaiian punch truck.
These guys aren't into rehabilitation, are they?
They are definitely not that. There's a good shot of Todd Blazer, and that's the supercharged motor. Big horsepower on that truck. So let's see what happens. Is it going to be the short, agile truck or the big, long truck with the big supercharged horsepower? It's a battle of the monster trucks. They've got a big course ahead of them. It's side-by-side competition until we come out with a winner. Here we go. Flag is out. Side by side, looks like they are very close. They're very close, and they've got problems. Both of them are in a little bit of trouble. But the Bandit takes the lead. The Bandit takes the lead. This Hawaiian punch truck is in trouble. The Bandit is out of the lead. He's headed down across the back. What would be center field for his second set of cars. Gary is doing a great job. He's easing around, trying to save some time. Has some problems on the back set of cars. Now they've got to race back to home plate. They're going to race back to home plate. And right now, it's anyone's battle. Todd is having problems. Look at that. Hawaiian punch truck is really in a bind over on the back straightaway. This one's going to go to the Skoal Bandit truck if nothing happens. Now, this truck is really going to have to take its time. Gary knows he's got a lead, but Todd is hung up over on the back straightaway. It looks like it's going to be the Bandit, and the Bandit, worse for wear. Uh-oh, looks like the steering. Looks like he may have broken the steering on that truck. He's got rear wheel steering only. He hasn't finised the course yet,
No, he has not. He has not. So he may have to turn around and back this thing home, huh?
Well, he's going to have to drop out of the competition because broke the steering on the front end. They're going to give it to him. He's going to have just a short time to try to repair that truck and get ready to go again.
We noticed maybe having a little trouble up front, but we'll see if it holds up. Skoal Bandit, of course, winning in the first heat, so now they go in this next elimination series. Good shot of the Skoal Bandit.
Well, he had some problems earlier, and they've been over in the pit area fixing the
steering, right?
Front steering on the truck, so he's ready to go. The boss is sitting poised, and this will be a very good race. These guys are very good friends, spend a lot of time together, but that's all over with. That's history. It's time to go racing.
Well, let me ask you this. These 57 Buicks are pretty well crushed down at this point. Does that make it a faster race now around the track?
Makes it a much quicker course. A much quicker course. The cars have just, they're lower. You can hit them harder. You can run harder. There's a shot of the big block Chevrolet. Look at all the shocks underneath the boss, and they need it. You can tell that for the simple reason that they hit these cars with such speed and such force. 14,000 pounds of monster truck, both of them poised on go. Both of them carbureted big block.
You don't get a set of shocks for these things for like $14.95 a pair, do you?
There's no way.
Side by side, the boss of the Skoal Bandit, and it's showtime.
They're off. Who's going to be the first one out? It looks like Skoal Bandit is out in the lead. Skoal Bandit has got a little bit of a lead over the boss. Jim Reese, he can make up a lot of time, but right now, look out. The Bandit has got the lead. The Bandit is in the lead. He hits the cars first. He's flying. He's flying. Look at Reese. He's just cleared them. Reese has made up precious time. Reese has made up unbelievable time. It's going to be a showdown at the finish line. It's going to be a showdown. Reese clears all the cars. Reese is all over it. He wins it. He wins it. The boss pulls it out. The boss pulls it out. Jim Reese pulls it out.